Okay, the last outcome is lesson 4, dilations. Okay, so you can see here on this first example that this point is 1, 1, and if it has a scale factor of 2 from the origin, it would now go in line with the origin twice as far. So now it's at 2, 2. So now this point 3, 1, in line with the origin, okay, I'm going twice as far, so the x value now has to get as far as 6, and the y should get up to 2. Okay, and then this point is 2, 3, should now become doubled, so 4, 6, so that's up there, and you can see that it's in line with the origin, and now I have my new projected triangle. Okay, so how do we create that? Dilate this triangle ABC around O with a scale factor of 2.5. Okay, so we go here, we take a measurement from A to O is 28 millimeters. And then we times it by 2.5 equals 70. Now we go here and we got to make the same line with AO, and we got to draw a point that's 70 millimeters away. So now that's my A prime. Okay, so you repeat, you go this 26 and then times it by 2.5, so that's 65. So keep that line and go 65. Okay, and then that is the new C. And then we're going to do OB, so that's 24 times it by 2.5 equals 60. So now we keep that same line and we go 60 far. Okay, so that's my new B. So my new triangle is out here. Okay, so it's like you dragged it out from that center O. Okay, now here's the thing. If I measure the length of the side, this is 49, 48.5, I don't know, 48. This side should have ended up being 2 times bigger. So 122-ish. That should be about 2.5. Obviously, I'm going to have a little bit of room of error for my measurements. Okay, so that should end up being 2.5 times bigger. Now, we're going to dilate this with a scale factor of 1/2. Okay, so now we go here and we measure from this point to here, which is 130. So we're going to go halfway. So that's a distance of 65. See how I kept the same line? Okay, now I'm going to get a new point here. So that's 149. So halfway is 74.5. Okay, let's get a new point. This intersection, so that's 146. take half that and go 73. Okay, let's go to this outside point here. 180, 182. So that's 91. Let's go to this point, and then we get 185. So we're going to go 92.5. And the last point is a distance of 131. So we're going to go 65.5. And then we draw our new shape. And it should obviously be an L. So now if I can take a measurement, let's do the bottom of my L. And that length is 55. And this length is 27.5. Are those half? Yep. That's the relationship of the side length. Okay, and this last example, name the dilation. So here's our original, which was at 6, 6, and the new was at 2, 2. So what happened? It went 1/3 of the way. So my scale factor of my dilation is 1/3. Let's check out B. It went from the coordinate 3, 3 to 1, 1. That's 1/3 of the way. And this point is 9, 4.5. That's 5, right? And now we got 3, 1.5. So that's 1/3 of the way. Okay, your turn to practice.